A stepper motor drives each gear, and an Arduino takes the temperature and humidity measurements using a DHT11 sensor and then controls the stepper motors. The weather station is supported by 2 legs and a flat base, making it perfect for a desk, shelf or side table. The DHT sensor has a range of 20 to 95% relative humidity and can measure temperatures between 0 and 50 degrees Celsius. I've designed the gears for the full humidity range and with negative temperature measurement, so that you can easily use a different sensor if you'd like to place the sensor outside to measure the outdoor temperature and humidity. The stepper motors are almost silent and can be made quieter by slowing down their movement, so you'll hardly hear them moving if you use this weather station on your desk.
A biorhythm is a theoretical process by which the human body and mind are regulated according to set patterns. Biorhythms are usually separated into 3 distinct groups: the emotional, mental, and physical cycles. Classically, the lengths of these cycles are 28 days, 33 days, and 23 days respectively. The default date of birth is set in the sketch. To change it, you need to press the knob for more than 3 seconds, and then change year, month and day using a double click on the knob. The LED will give you the emotional, physical and intellectual status, calculated using the date of birth and the current date and time maintained by the RTC clock. The RTC clock must be set up with a simple sketch, before loading the Biorhythm 1.
From the glove, we have connected the transmitter part, and this transmitter can control the receiver part from over 100-meter range. And in the receiver part, we have used 6 servo motors mainly, 4 on the fingers, 1 on the wrist, and 1 on the shoulder part. And on glove, we have used accelerometer, which can control the wrist movement left and right, and shoulder movement up and down.
A reactive coffee table. It has animations. This thing's made of WS2812B LEDs, so you can put regular animations with those, but we also added a little hint of tying builds. We added proximity sensors, which sense when an object is over it, and then it reacts by turning on the lights in that area.
So it's a 42-inch mirror, some stepper motors, encoders, and an interface that can control the motors, tell them where to go instantly. Just have a little calibration of the machine to set up the north and the horizontal, and then you select your target and you're good to go. So let me show you. So it's basically adding a full south window to a room that doesn't have any. That's a lot of light, like you can see inside the room right now.
Start the game, you just press the button and it will randomly pick a word. I put in 100 words in there and I'll show you how to put more later. And to solve the puzzle, you drag and drop the letters, but how do you do that without a touchscreen and without a mouse? Well, what we have here is a two-dimensional mouse. You can only move on the x-axis, and to drag a letter, you hold down the button and you drag the letter. I thought it was merged, but we got an extra letter here. Oh, I know. So you drag the E, and then you release that, and it says, good job, you solved the puzzle. And you press it again, and you get another word. Oh, that one looks tough.